Welcome to Vitrium Security's how-to video series. In this video, we're going to take a look at deleting and restoring content. When you want to delete a file from your Vitrium admin, you'll need to go to the Content tab and navigate to the folder that has the file you wish to remove. From there, you can either drag and drop the file into the recycle bin in the bottom left corner. You can select a single file or multiples to delete as well, and then click this Delete Content button at the top. A dialog box will pop up to ask for confirmation that you want to remove this content to the recycle bin. After confirming that these are indeed the files you wish to delete, click that orange delete button. We now see that there's a message saying that the content has been moved to the recycle bin. To access the recycle bin, click on this icon here below. We can see here the list of files that have been deleted from the account. The recycle bin will hold the files for 30 days and automatically delete them at the end of that time frame. If you'd like to delete them permanently ahead of time, you can either select individual ones or check this box here to select all items and click Delete Content. You'll see another confirmation noting that this step cannot be reversed. Deleting files from the recycle bin means that they are deleted permanently from Vitrium systems. This means that they cannot be restored or recoverable at any point. You can click Cancel to not do this, or you can click Delete to confirm that you would like to delete them permanently ahead of that 30-day schedule. If you would like to restore any deleted files, you can drag and drop them into the appropriate folder in the folder tree on the left-hand side. For example, if you wanted to restore the Vitrium use case spotlight to the associations folder, you would simply drag and drop it back into that folder. We can see at the top there's a banner that confirms it has been moved to the folder 01-associations. And if we go back to that folder, we will be able to see it listed again as an active file. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos and our knowledge base online.